if you've got a retail nursery or a lodge or something and you want to see our plants, and you might want to landscape a whole area, we can come and show you samples. Bruce, with his lovely smile, can bring our sample truck and look at this. Look at this. We have the most amazing plants. Please, open up. Open up. All our plants properly labeled. All our lovely aloes, our own Magic Mona Pink, all of those. Show us the other side. Check this out, guys. Quality plants. Quality plants from our nursery to your doorstep. Grown, bred by the Aloe Farm and C&E Nursery. Bruce is your man.